Hey there, kitchen lovers. Ready to upgrade your cooking game? Today, we're bringing you 27 of the best kitchen gadgets from Amazon. Cool, clever, and totally useful. Whether you're a pro chef or just love making meals easier, these gadgets will blow your mind. Stay tuned till the end. You won't want to miss a single one. And before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for more awesome finds. If you love any of these gadgets, check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Let's get started. Tea's Stovetop Whistling Tea Kettle is a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features an ergonomic, cool-touch handle with a push-button mechanism for easy pouring. The kettle produces a clear whistling sound when the water reaches boiling point, ensuring safety and convenience. Designed with a multi-layered base, it heats up quickly while minimizing heat loss, making it suitable for various cooktops, including induction, gas, and electric. The thickened body adds durability, and it comes with a heat-resistant mitt, elegantly packaged for gifting. Tea's ensures high-quality craftsmanship, with materials free from harmful coatings. Dowen dipping bowls are a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality ceramic, these small bowls are perfect for serving sauces, condiments, and snacks, as well as baking individual desserts. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns add a modern touch to your table, making them both functional and decorative. Each bowl comes with a tight-fitting silicone lid, keeping food fresh and preventing spills, making them great for storage or packing meals on the go. Crafted from durable and chip-resistant porcelain, they are safe for use in the microwave and dishwasher. Their stackable design saves space, making them easy to store. Livingo kitchen scissors are a versatile and durable tool designed for effortless cutting in the kitchen. Made from premium stainless steel, these heavy-duty poultry shears easily cut through chicken bones, meat, and vegetables, making meal prep quick and efficient. The ergonomic design includes a secure locking mechanism to reduce hand fatigue, ensuring comfort during use. Lightweight yet powerful, these multi-purpose scissors are perfect for both kitchen and outdoor cooking. The Kitchen Star 16-inch pizza cutter is a must-have tool for effortlessly slicing through any pizza crust while keeping toppings intact. Made from durable stainless steel, this sharp rocker knife ensures clean and precise cuts with ease. The non-stick black coating enhances slicing performance while making cleanup simple. Designed with safety in mind, it comes with a protective cover for secure storage and handling. The Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Raclette Table Grill is a fun and versatile way to bring people together for meals and parties. Featuring a spacious non-stick grill and griddle surface, it allows for easy cooking of meats, seafood, and vegetables, while the warming trays below keep cheese, sauces, and other ingredients at the perfect temperature. With adjustable heat controls, each person can customize their dish to their liking. Designed for convenience, the grill plate and warming trays are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. The LIMNUO dish drying mat is a practical and stylish solution for keeping your kitchen counter clean and dry. Made from highly absorbent microfiber, it quickly soaks up water while protecting your countertops and delicate dishware. The special surface design helps hide stains, keeping your space looking neat. With a non-slip rubber backing, it stays securely in place and prevents leaks, ensuring a mess-free kitchen. Versatile in use, this mat is perfect for drying dishes, holding coffee makers, or even as a pet food pad. Durable and easy to clean, it's a must-have for any kitchen. The Chefman Electric Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker is a versatile kitchen tool that allows you to easily create delicious sandwiches, burgers, and more. With non-stick coated plates, it ensures perfect crisping every time without needing cooking spray. The floating hinge adjusts to accommodate sandwiches of any size, and it opens 180 degrees for grilling a variety of foods. Compact and easy to store, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or road trips. Cleanup is a breeze with its removable drip tray and non-stick surfaces. Durable and easy to use, this panini press is perfect for quick, tasty meals. The Okma stand mixer is a powerful kitchen companion with a 660-watt motor and 6-speed settings, making it perfect for a variety of tasks like mixing cakes, bread, cookies, and more. The 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl provides ample space for larger batches, and the tilt-head design ensures easy access to the bowl and accessories. It includes a dough hook, wire whip, and beater for all your mixing needs. The sleek black housing with a shiny finish, blue LED power indicator, and the splash guard for mess-free ingredient additions add to its appeal. A great gift for any home baker, it offers both performance and style. The Kichi bamboo cutting board set is a versatile and durable addition to any kitchen, offering 3 sizes to suit all your chopping needs. Made from sustainably harvested bamboo, these boards undergo a carbonization process that enhances their strength, reduces moisture absorption, and gives them a rich, dark hue. With built-in handles for easy maneuvering and deep juice grooves to prevent spills, they are ideal for everything from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. Easy to clean and maintain, this eco-friendly set ensures long-lasting use and adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. The YHY pasta bowls set includes 6 30-ounce porcelain bowls, designed with a wide and shallow shape, perfect for serving generous portions of pasta, soup, salad, and more. Made from durable new bone china, these bowls can withstand high temperatures, making them microwave and oven-safe. The smooth, stain-resistant surface ensures easy cleaning, and the classic off-white design adds a timeless touch to any table setting. Stackable for convenient storage, these bowls are ideal for both everyday use and special occasions, making them a thoughtful gift for housewarmings or weddings. The Kamenstein Revolving Countertop Spice Rack Organizer is a sleek and functional kitchen essential. Made from brushed stainless steel with black caps, it includes a variety of essential spices in glass jars, making it both practical and visually appealing. The revolving design allows for easy access, whether placed on countertops or stored in cabinets. The jars feature removable sifter discs for convenient use and are clearly labeled for quick identification. A standout benefit is the offer of free spice refills for several years, adding great value. Its modern design and practicality make it an ideal gift for various occasions. The Ipo Vipo vegetable chopper is a versatile and durable kitchen tool designed to simplify food preparation. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, it comes with 8 interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, grating, and shredding, making it a multifunctional gadget for various cooking needs. Its innovative design includes a 3x pressure lever for effortless chopping and a safety handguard to protect your fingers during use. The removable structure ensures easy cleaning, while the sturdy build ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for dicing onions, slicing vegetables, or shredding cabbage, this chopper is a must-have for anyone seeking efficiency and safety in the kitchen. The Cutlux Slicing Carving Knife is a top-tier kitchen tool designed for precision and durability. Crafted from premium German steel, this 12-inch knife features a razor-sharp Granton blade edge, perfect for effortlessly slicing brisket, turkey, roast, and other meats. Its full-tang ergonomic handle, made from luxurious Paca wood, ensures a comfortable and secure grip, making it ideal for both professional and home kitchens. The knife is hand-sharpened for maximum edge retention and comes with a protective sheath for safe storage. Built to last with rust-resistant materials and backed by a lifetime warranty, this knife is a reliable and stylish addition to any culinary collection. The Niji Aljexby Cork Trivet Set is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Made from high-density natural cork, these 8-inch round trivets are sustainably sourced, hypoallergenic, and recyclable, making them an eco-friendly choice. Designed to protect countertops and tables from heat, scratches, and stains, they are perfect for hot dishes, pots, and pans. Their smooth surface and heat-resistant properties also make them versatile for use as coasters, utensil rests, or placemats. Lightweight and easy to clean with just a damp cloth, these trivets are both functional and durable. Their minimalist design also offers creative potential for personalization or decorative use, making them a thoughtful gift or a charming addition to your home. The leaves and trees, Y glass jars with bamboo lids and spoon set, is a stylish and practical storage solution for your kitchen. This set includes 6 17-ounce jars made from high-quality borosilicate glass, designed to withstand temperatures from freezing to high heat. The airtight bamboo lids ensure your dry or wet foods, such as coffee, sugar, loose tea, or overnight oats, stay fresh and dry. Each jar comes with a convenient spoon, making it easy to measure and serve. The sleek, minimalist design is perfect for home, office, or cafe use, while the dishwasher and microwave-safe features make cleaning a breeze. Ideal for organizing and displaying your pantry essentials, this set combines functionality with eco-friendly elegance. The houseboard set is a perfect blend of functionality and elegance for any gathering. Made from sustainable bamboo, this set includes a spacious charcuterie board with 4 hidden magnetic drawers for storing knives, slate labels, and markers. It also comes with 4 stainless steel cheese knives, ceramic bowls, plates, serving forks, a wine opener, and a recipe book, making it ideal for creating beautiful spreads of meats, cheeses, and more. The stain-resistant and odor-resistant design ensures durability, while the included accessories add versatility for dips, nuts, and olives. The Sankon Immersion Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool designed to simplify your cooking experience. This handheld blender comes with a variety of attachments, including a stainless steel blending arm, a food chopper, a whisk, a milk frother, a large measuring cup, and a storage base, making it perfect for blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing. Its 400-watt motor ensures efficient performance, while the 2-speed settings allow you to easily adjust the texture and consistency of your dishes. The detachable design makes cleaning a breeze, and the compact storage base keeps everything organized. The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven is a versatile and efficient countertop appliance designed to make cooking quick and easy. This special green gold edition features a rotating non-stick tray that ensures even cooking for pizzas, quesadillas, chicken wings, and more. With separate controls for top and bottom heating elements, you can customize the cooking process to achieve perfect results every time. The oven requires no preheating, making it ideal for busy schedules, and its automatic shutoff feature adds convenience and safety. The PFAS-free non-stick tray is removable for easy cleaning and compact storage. The Bear Mini Rice Cooker is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance, perfect for small households, dorm rooms, or travel. With a 1.2-liter capacity, it can cook up to 2 cups of uncooked rice, making it ideal for 1 to 2 people. Its one-touch operation simplifies cooking, while the Keep Warm function ensures your meals stay at the perfect temperature. Beyond rice, this cooker can handle oatmeal, quinoa, soups, stews, and more, making it a multifunctional tool for various cooking needs. The non-stick inner pot and detachable lid make cleaning effortless, and its compact design saves space. The Holden Storage Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is a durable and space-saving solution for keeping your kitchen cabinets tidy and efficient. Designed for narrow cabinets, this chrome-finished organizer measures 4.5 inches wide, making it perfect for tight spaces. Its smooth sliding mechanism allows easy access to spices, cans, dishes, and other essentials, while the rust-resistant steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. The organizer is simple to install with included hardware, requiring no prior experience. Whether you're organizing spices, craft supplies, or pantry items, this versatile pull-out shelf maximizes storage and keeps everything within reach. The PrepWorks Deli ProKeeper is a practical and efficient food storage solution designed to keep deli items fresh and organized. Its airtight silicone seal ensures meats, cheeses, and other favorites stay fresh longer, while the grooved bottom prevents excess moisture from affecting stored items. The clear, dry erase-compatible lid allows you to easily label contents or note expiration dates, adding convenience to your kitchen routine. With a spacious design measuring 11.75 inches long, this container offers ample storage space for larger quantities. Dishwasher safe and built for durability, The Deli Pro Keeper is a must-have for keeping your deli items fresh and accessible. The Quirky warming mat for food is a versatile and efficient solution for keeping meals warm and fresh. Made from durable silicone, this portable mat heats up quickly and cools down rapidly, ensuring energy efficiency and convenience. With 6 temperature settings and an adjustable timer, it allows you to customize the warmth of your dishes, making it perfect for family dinners, parties, or office lunches. Its rollable design and lightweight construction make it easy to store and transport, while the stain-resistant surface ensures hassle-free cleaning. Compatible with various materials like ceramic and glass, this warming mat is a safe and practical alternative to traditional heaters, keeping your food at the perfect serving temperature for any occasion. The GIPP 5-piece non-stick cookware set, designed for convenience and efficiency. Featuring a natural granite coating for healthier cooking, this set requires minimal oil and ensures easy cleanup. The space-saving stackable design is perfect for compact kitchens and RVs, while the ergonomic removable handle allows seamless transitions from stovetop to oven and fridge. Built with advanced die casting technology, these durable pans offer long-lasting performance, making them a reliable addition to any kitchen. The Ramjoy 6.8-quart air fryer, designed for versatility and convenience. With 10-in-1 functionality, it lets you air fry, roast, bake, broil, and even dehydrate with ease. Using advanced air crisp technology, it reduces fat by up to 90% while delivering crispy, golden results. The sleek stainless steel design features a curved touchscreen for easy operation, and the spacious basket can accommodate meals for up to 6 people. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe components, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen. The Sautech conical burr coffee grinder, designed for precision and consistency. With 38 adjustable grind settings, it caters to everything from espresso to French press, ensuring the perfect texture for any brew. The stainless steel burrs preserve essential oils for rich flavor, while the smart timer function allows effortless grinding for any occasion. Featuring an anti-static powder box, a quiet yet powerful motor, and an easy-to-clean detachable design, this compact grinder is a must-have for coffee lovers who appreciate freshness and convenience in every cup. The Joseph Sedge Collection 16-piece bone china dinnerware set. Designed for both elegance and durability, this set features a timeless Greek key pattern that complements any table setting. Crafted from high-quality bone china, it is scratch-resistant and built to last, making it perfect for everyday use or special occasions. Microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe, it offers both convenience and sophistication, ensuring effortless meals and cleanup. Whether for casual dinners or formal gatherings, this set brings a touch of refined style to any home. The Begorm Acrylic Tea Bag Organizer, designed for both functionality and style. With 12 compartments holding up to 216 tea bags, this modern and transparent storage solution enhances any kitchen, tea bar, or countertop without taking up much space. No assembly is required. Simply unpack and start organizing. Its sleek acrylic design adds a touch of elegance, making it a perfect gift for tea lovers. Whether for personal use or as a thoughtful present,